Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Competent Blogging. So today now we came up with another video which is how to download, as the title said, how to download BlueStacks 4 on Windows 7, 8 or Windows 10. So first of all we have to start with Google Chrome. You can write it how to download just like I did, how to download BlueStacks 4 on Windows 10. So here is the top link which we get from BlueStacks.com, and I am going to open this link. So there are there are three steps which they are showing, and they are pretty simple as well. So now I'm going to their main website, which is BlueStacks.com, and the second step which they are saying is launch the installer once it's done downloading. So we have to follow this step as well. And the third one, which is wait until the process finishes, after which BlueStack will launch automatically. So guys, do remember that the process is same for all three Windows version, like I said before, which is Windows 7, Windows 10 and Windows 8 as well. So now you can see that they have the latest feature, they have the latest upgrade, which is BlueStacks 5. So this video is gonna be on BlueStacks 5. However, the process is same for 4 as well. So what we will do is, here is already set for Windows. Now we have to click this download BlueStack button. Once click to install, I am going to click here to get the software installed, and in this manner you are done. Once you have downloaded the .exe file, then you can run it and further install it in your desired folder, and after that you can launch that folder. Actually I am going to make a short video, that's why I am just closing it out, and as you can see I am going to allow them, yes. And after that we have a system opened, I think. Yeah, it is already opened.